Now on many of my videos, I keep getting a same common question that what are the best data recovery software that they can use in 2026. And this is a very common problem because you might accidentally delete an important file, your hard drive, SSD or an external drive got crashed without warning. Your photos, videos, document just vanished. And in such situation, we really get panic and we don't know what to do now and how to get our data back. So today in this video guys, I will be sharing the top 5 best data recovery software for your PC in 2026 that will be helping you to recover the deleted file, formatted drive and even the data from the crashed system. Now all the 5 software that I will be sharing are best, but I have ranked them according to their performance. So I will start with number 5 and end with number 1. And do not skip directly to the number 1, just watch all the software. There are some pros and cons of each and every software. And I will start with the software number 5, that is the RStudio. You will be getting all the website link in the description and you can come to their website. You can use it for Windows, for Mac, for the Linux, so no problem. So whichever operating system you are using, you can click on it, then click on download now, go with the basic installation. And once it will be installed, you will be getting this kind of dashboard. And here on the left hand side, it lists you all kind of your disk, all kind of partition, from where you can easily choose that from where you exactly lost your data so that you can easily recover it. And on the very top, it shows me my primary SSD that is around 476.94 gigabyte. Then it shows me my SanDisk external USB that is around 931 gigabyte. Then my SanDisk pen drive that is around 30 gigabyte. Now here for example, let me try to delete the data from my pen drive and I will try to recover it. And you can see I have around 3 images and 1 audio file. So I will just use shift and delete to permanently delete all these 4 items. Alright. Now once it's been permanently deleted, again if I come to the same page here and I will right click on this USB and choose the third option that says recover all the file. Click on it and then first it will ask you the output folder that where exactly you want to recover the deleted data. So I would recommend you that choose any other partition or any other disk. In this scenario, I can choose my disk hard disk, so you get a hard disk. And below some criteria are being given, then you can have a look here. And finally, you will have to click on OK. And the recovery process will be started. And depending on the size of the data to be recovered, it may take some time, so you will have to wait. And one thing that I would like to share with you guys, and you have to keep in mind, I know there are tons of recovery software in the market. And if you take the feedback of different users that which basically recovery software work for them or which one they consider as one of the best recovery software, then the ranking can be different. The priorities can be different, the selection can be different because some recovery software work for me, but maybe it doesn't work for you. Because the process of these recovery software will run on a different scenario, on a different algorithm. And explaining this will be a really big topic, so I won't do that. But yes, keep in mind, when it comes to recover any kind of deleted data or any partition, don't only depend on one recovery software. If it doesn't work for you, you should try the another one as well. Or the one that I will be talking today, that will be on the ranking 1. I have always tested that application, that software, and always gave me the best result. And the success rate is around 96.7%. Alright, so the RStudio also work absolutely perfect. It will recover all your data. And if you come to their website, you can read all the other information, like what all the option it provide you, deleted without recycle bin or when recycle bin has been emptied, removed by virus attack or power failure, after the partition of the files are formatted, even for the different file system. So this recovery software also work perfectly. So I keep this on number 5. And now let's move with the recovery software number 4, and that is Recuva. Alright, so again you can come to their website. Superior file recovery, recover from the damaged disk, deep scan for the buried file, securely deleted file. So again you can click on the download free version here from this website. Go with the basic installation. And once you have installed, you will be getting this kind of dashboard here. And Recuva, in the very beginning, it will ask you, you want to recover all the file or only the pictures, music, document, videos, compressed file, or the email. So many times you have to choose any different category so that you can choose it. But else if you have mixed data that has been deleted, you can keep to all file. Next it asks you the file location, where was your data, your file that has been deleted. If you're not sure, you can go with the first option. But if you're sure, on my media card or iPad, in my document, in the recycle bin or any other specific location, then you can choose it. Now I have deleted the data from my SanDisk, so I will just select it and click on OK. And then when I click on start, so you will find that how soon and how immediately it recover the 4 different files that I deleted. So if I select it and click on recover, it will ask me where exactly I want to recover it, on which location. So I will choose my external SSD, or I can make a new folder here, SanDisk, and click on OK. And the recovery process will be started, and you can see that how easy it is to recover the file using this application. Alright, so once it will be done, you have to click on OK. And if I go to the SanDisk, so you can see the data doesn't appear here. But if I go to the another disk, that is my extreme SSD, where I recover the data, and if I bring it up, then I look for the same folder here that was by the name SanDisk. Bingo. So you can see all these 3 pictures and 1 audio file has been successfully recovered. So now what I can do, I can select them, I can cut from here, and I can paste it to the original location that was my USB pen drive. Okay, so now let's move with number 3, and that is the EaseUS data recovery tool. And you might have seen this data recovery on many different videos, people talking about it. Again, you will be getting the link in the description. You can come to their website, EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard, and you can download this for the Windows, for the Mac. And it also provides you many different options like the formatted recovery, raw recovery. And you can check that all these options and all the details are being given on their homepage. So in order to download, you can click on free trial and go with the basic installation. Once you have installed this EaseUS partition recovery or the recovery tool, you will be getting this kind of dashboard, and here you can see all the navigations are given very properly. So on the left hand side, you can see the hardware disk, SD card, NAS, RAID, file repair, lost partition rescue, crash, PC rescue, that fix blue screen of death, repair loop, boot failure. So it also provides you many different options, many different troubleshooting steps. So in the hardware disk, you can basically choose from which disk you have deleted your data and you want to recover it. Even it lists you the internal drive, the external drive, and even the specific location, like you can recover the data from the recycle bin, desktop, any other folder or image, or even from the cloud. Alright, so again what I will do for the demonstration, I will be deleting the data from this SanDisk USB again. And then I will click on search for lost data. And the process of recovering the data will be started, and you can see the progress on the left hand corner. Quick scanning, it will show you the all detail that what kind of data has been recovered. On the left hand side, it give you all the detail like what kind of pictures. I mean, according to the category wise, even you can have a preview while it's recovering or it's scanning the data. And in the pictures, you can see it shows all the format like the images in the JPG, in the PNG. And if I click on the PNG, so bingo, now you can see the data, the pictures I deleted, I can see here. And if I go to the JPG section, then you will see all the other images. They are being listed here. And in the same way, I can go in the audio section, and in the audio format, I can see all the audio, even not the last one that I deleted, all the other file that I deleted earlier that I can also see here. So here also what you will have to do, whichever data you want to recover now once the scan has been completed, and I highly recommend kindly wait until the scan is completed, all the process has been completed, and after that either you choose manually or you recover all the data, whatever you want to. And now let's move with number 2 data recovery software, that is the disk drill data recovery software. Alright, so again you can come to their website, you can read all the detail here. recover data from a variety of devices: PC, Mac, hard disk, SSD, USB drive, SD card, digital camera, iPhone, Android, and it almost cover all kind of devices. Alright, so again, once you come to their website, you will have to click on free download, download the tool, go with the basic installation. Once installed, you will be again getting this kind of simple dashboard, and on the left hand side, it shows you all the category. Like in the data recovery, it shows you the storage devices, hardware disk, then the logical volume, RAID, NAS, other advanced camera recovery. That is another benefit of this tool. If you have lost your pictures and videos from the camera, you can do that. Smart monitoring, data protection, and byte to byte backup, even the cleanup option. I won't be going in the depth, but you can see you get many different advanced options as well here. So again, recovering the data from this recovery software is also very easy. What you will have to do, select the disk from where you want to recover, then you can click on search for lost data. Then you will have to click on OK. And now again, it will be recovering the data, looking for the particular disk you have chosen, and it will list you according to the category wise. And here if you click on the show option, either you can go with all file, deleted or lost or reconstructed. And if I choose the deleted one, then you can see, I can see the name of my data that I deleted, but as it is recovering it, so it shows me waiting, but it has been confirmed that it is recovering the exact data that I lost. And another best part is you also find the date modified option, and if you click on it, you can easily choose the date. Like you can go with the today, yesterday, this week, this month, or this year. Alright, so once you have selected, it will only show you the data that has been deleted yesterday, and all these files that I find here basically are from today only. Alright, so you should also try this software. And now finally, let's move with the number one data recovery software, that is the Stellar Data Recovery. Now why I'm keeping this on number one? Because of the probability, because of the chances of recovering the data. Alright, so you can come to their website. It says best data recovery software, recover lost or deleted data from any Windows device. And around 130 million downloads has been done, and recovery rate is around 98.6%. That's absolutely perfect. And you can download even on the iPhone or the Android. Again, you can have a preview. It do the stellar photo recovery, repair for your video, stellar recovery for the iPhone, and give you many other options. But now in order to download, you will have to click on free download, and the file will be quickly downloaded. So once downloaded, you will have to click on the downloaded file, go with the basic installation. And once it will be installed, again, you will be getting this kind of neat and clean, simple dashboard. No confusion, very simple to work on it. And on the left hand side, it says what to recover, where it says all data. So you want to recover all the data, or you want to customize your scan, like you want to go with the only office document, email, audio, photos, or videos. So if you want to recover any specific files like only videos or audios, then you can select it. But if you have the mixed content, then you can go with the all data. Then it says recover from. So it gives you the location here, that if you want to recover the data from any other location, like from Z drive, from your E drive, and you can see the icons and the interface are so absolutely perfect that give you the feel of like you have opened the file explorer of your Windows only. And this is just because the user should feel much friendly and they can easily enjoy it. They can easily work on it. It gives you in the connected drive, in the physical disk, in the common location like desktop and document. Even if scroll down, you can choose any specific location. Alright, so I will come to the recover from option. And again, I will choose my SanDisk recovery USB. And again, I will choose my SanDisk USB. And if I bring it up, let me show you, I have some data here that I will be deleting right now. So I will use the shift and delete and then permanently delete them. Once deleted, now again, I will choose this SanDisk USB, select it, and then I will click on scan. Click on proceed, and now it will be scanning the file depending that what data is being deleted, what is the size of the data, what are the categories of the data. Is it any video file, audio file? It will detect each and everything. And you can even see the category has been listed on the left hand side. So now I just need to sit and relax. The process can take some time, but keep in mind guys, If you do not interrupt it and follow the steps carefully, the chances of getting your data back are much higher as compared to other data recovery software. Alright, and bingo guys, so now you can see it says scanning completed successfully. 217 files found in 28 folder, 2.57 gigabyte of data recoverable. So you will have to click on OK. And here from the left hand side, you can basically, so now either you can choose your file, that which file you want to recover, or if you want to recover all of them, then just select them all, then click on recover. It will ask you the destination, that where exactly you want to recover. So you can click on browse, choose the locations. I will again choose my external USB. And I will again create a folder here. It can be by the name Stellar REC, and click on it, select folder, click on save, and the process of recovering the data will be started. And once the data will be recovered, I will show you that it won't take much time, and it will say the data saved successfully at the selected destination. And if I go to that same location, so you can see it lists me all the categories like document, photos, videos, text, audio, application. So whichever data you want to recover, simply copy from here and paste in the original location only from where you got your data deleted. And here we go. So now you can see all my data are being listed and it's working absolutely perfect. So that's all guys for today, and hopefully now you got to know that which are the best recovery software for your PC, for your laptop. And this will be surely assuring you and give you peace of mind that yes, if any time your data got deleted, then you don't have to worry about it, especially the Stellar data recovery in order to recover your data. And if you really like the video guys, please hit the like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.